Oh, unbelievable. Oh. I left my rucksack somewhere, did I? Thought I did. I can't believe I did that. Thanks very much. I only put it down for a second to get something out of it, and then I jumped on the bike and off I went. Thanks very much. Well, I was lucky. Oh dear. Well, hello again everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful day. So I thought I would take you on a little ride. We're going to try one of the adventure bike rider routes, or part of it anyway, which is the part of the Wales Weekender route. So we're going to try that. Right. That's good. Put that in the silly now. Hopefully you can hear me okay, and hopefully the video is working, because I seem to be having... oh bollocks, I left my bag. Well, that was a good start. I've left my bag in the petrol station. Unbelievable start that is. Put it down on the floor, got all my stuff, completely forgot my bag. Excellent, good start. Hopefully it's still there. Oh, unbelievable. Ugh. I left my rucksack somewhere, did I? Thought I did. I can't believe I did that. Thanks very much. I only put it down for a second to get something out of it, and then I jumped on the bike and off I went. Thanks very much. Well, I was lucky. Oh dear. Oh dear, dear, dear. What are we like? Lovely people. At least there's some nice, good people around handed in. Because that could have been a different story. Right, make sure I don't forget this now. do it up. Okay. Let's try that again. Right. Round 2. So anyway, as I was saying, welcome back. Hopefully this video will turn out okay, because the last few videos that I've tried to make, the GoPro camera was playing up, so it recorded some footage and then some of it just wasn't playable, so it wouldn't recognize it for some reason. So we're going to see what happens this time. Anyway, so I'm going to get to the route and I'll catch you in a little while when we're somewhere a bit more interesting. Well, welcome back. Didn't take long to find some nice little lanes to go through. Nice bit of countryside riding. Really? I wasn't expecting this kind of road, actually. It's quite interesting. Though I'm not sure I'm quite at the starting point of the ride yet. So I'm not sure. I think I know what I've done. I've left the sat-nav in windy roads, back street roads. It's all fun at the end of the day. Nothing wrong with this. Oh, look at this, lovely. It's such a beautiful day today. Oh, look at this. Such a beautiful day. Had to come out on the bike. Hopefully we're going to get some good footage today. Oh, that's an old lamppost, isn't it? Hey, little squirrel, run for your life. Another little squirrel. Turn left. There is no left turn. I think I've gone wrong. Let's just go down here. I think I've gone wrong somewhere. We've got to start on the A4119, so I know where that is, so we'll just go there. The way that we know. back on track now. Okay, I think I'll stop the video there a minute, and then I'll get back to you when I'm actually on the route that I'm supposed to be on. So I just pulled over just to make sure where I am, and I think now we're going to be back on track. So let's try this again. The joys of going on a ride with Ozzy. I never know where I'm going. I tell you what though, this TomTom Rider 550 is really good. I do like it. And I've read online that a lot of people can get it to connect via Bluetooth to their headsets. You know, these are quite expensive. The ones they're talking about, the quite expensive ones. But I've just picked myself up a cheap headset off of eBay or Amazon, I forget which. Cost me about £15–16. And it connects to the TomTom perfectly. You can hear the instructions, great, nice and clear. Right, so now hopefully we can get this actual route underway. Sorry about all the faffing around, guys. It's just me. It's the way I am. Sorry, can't help it. Not going to change. Not that I don't want to, I just can't. That's just how I am, I guess. But it's all good fun. Now, I should be going left at the end of this road. Go right. Okay, I was wrong again then. Oh, I know where it's taking me. See, I've done it again. I've put it in to take me to the starting point, and I really didn't need to do that. Now where's it taking me? Well, I really didn't need to go down here, did I? I've got a feeling I'm coming back up here in a minute. Anyway, it's an adventure. The roads that I haven't been down before. Hopefully it'll be something nice down here, something interesting that I can take a photo of. Have I? Okay. I'm assuming. I'm not going down there. Okay, this is. Okay, let's go to do my routes. Wales Weekender. Ride. Nearest point. Okay, this was Miskin Manor. Okay, so I really didn't need to go there. Never mind. At least future reference, I know where Miskin Manor is, if I ever need it. Right, let's get on this proper route now. Okay, something very familiar about this. Okay, so we should be on the right route now. We're heading for it anyway, as long as we turn right here. My phone has been ringing. It's just drives me nuts. You can't go anywhere these days, can you, without somebody wanting you for something. Quite a nice view though, isn't it? Yeah, it does make it worthwhile. Oh, a new area that I've discovered. So we're getting ready for the Jubilee. What is everybody doing for the Jubilee? Oh, speed bump. Are there going to be any street parties, do you think? I don't know if people do that much anymore these days. Well, that's a quaint little place there, isn't it? Ystrad Fachan. I am butchering the names, so feel free to slate me in the comments. We're because I will butcher these Welsh names. Okay, so just been into the Penderyn Distillery, got myself a nice bottle of dark rum. Just gonna wait for this guy to park up and then get a picture. Bike's gonna need a wash. Getting a bit dusty. And then I think on to Brecon Beacons and then home. Just going to move over to the front of the building, get a photo, the bike in front of it. Come on, pal, get across the road. Unbelievable. Lovely jubbly. Let's see what else we can find. Again, I found out that some of the footage that I've been taking today hasn't recorded because of SD card error or something on the GoPro, which seems to be happening all of the time, which is really annoying. I can't trust the GoPro to record. I don't know how it can be something to do with the SD card because it's brand new. So I'm just thinking it must be the camera. It is an old camera, it's a GoPro Hero 4, but it just seems to be a bit hit and miss. That sheep. I thought it was real then for a second. Just look at it, stunning. Absolutely stunning. I really hope the GoPro is recording this. I don't really want to have to fork out for a new camera. What I might do actually, I might just buy another SD card and just check that that isn't the problem. Look at this, beautiful. Stay there, sheep. It's just beautiful, stunning. I can't believe I've been living in Wales for the last, I don't know, 15, 16 years, and this is the first time I've been here. Look at what I've been missing out on all this time. Wow. Just goes to show what's on your doorstep if you just take the time to explore a little. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to be quiet for a little bit and just let you enjoy the views and the ride.